I have a method where you can end up making more than $1,000 a day. Using this platform, what I did was, after I signed myself up, I was able to make $1,440 in one single day. It started with $20 every 10 minutes, and then one day I managed to make more than $1,000. Amazing, right? But before I tell you about this platform, I want to welcome you to Money Heist, where I show you ways of earning money online. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to be notified for new videos like this in the future. Now let me tell you something. With my method and the platform that I will show you on this video can make you a staggering $1,400 in a day. Yes, it worked like a charm for me, and it will work like a charm for you. I mean, isn't it amazing to see your PayPal account credited with $1,400 in no time? And sometimes we are in dire need of cash, and this here makes us around $1,400 in a day just by following simple steps that I will mention on this video. All you have to do is watch my video till the end and listen to what I did to make money and, well, make easy money. My secret to earning quick and easy money online. Now first, I have a question. Do you know what a trend is? And have you used the Google Trend? Well, this is where we will need the Google Trend to know the recent trends to help us with the certain links. Go ahead and search for Google Trends on Google, and all you have to do is go on the Trends website, then see what the trends are nowadays. Using the data displayed on this site and use this whole data to our advantage, we are going to take the links and add them to Google Docs from this website. We will use these links on the platform which I will show you, which will make us money, easy money, online. Now I have the link under the description, and on this platform all you gotta do is paste these links and shorten them. Register your account on the platform by scrolling up to the top and clicking the sign up button on the right corner. Need not to worry, as this is not a scam. I can vouch for that. Now add in your details such as your email address and a good password, agree to the terms and services, and of course, click on register. It will take you to a screen where it will show you your link earnings. Like every link has its own earning, plus your referral earnings with view and date. In case you have referred this to your friends, you can actually see which referral is making how much with date and its view. You will easily track which link is paying you the most. Now you need to know where you can shorten the link. That's simple. Just go to the top left corner of the website and remember to copy the link we saved on the Google Docs. Remember, the ones that we took from the Google Trends. Paste it here. Give an alias to the link. The alias is optional, though I would recommend you write an alias. You will copy the link below and use that shortened link to your advantage. As far as where you must send this link, well, that's easy and a bit of tedious task. But let me tell you something, that we must use the Google search engine again. Here we will search for forums where you can use this link and earn money using this method. Why you say forums? Well, in today's world we've got different forums for different things, niches, so you can actually search them out. let me tell you, this website, this platform has a high pay rate. You have a high payout rate and they have a low minimum payout as well. So all you need to do is earn $3 to be able to cash out. Now, what payout method does this platform support? Well, they are PayPal, Bitcoin, Payoneer, and some of these two that I don't even know of what they are, to be honest. So if you guys can use any of these transfer methods, then you're good to go with this. Right, so now you have registered an account here and you have to use those links that you have saved on Google Docs and shorten those links using the platform that I've mentioned. Now these shortened links can be pasted onto Quora, Reddit, or the forums that you search for. There are many popular forums available online. You can actually search them out. I used YouTube videos of weight loss and pasted them to the forum I searched for. And the best part is, I was helping different people and earning as well since they're clicking the link. I would suggest is find a forum according to your link and use it to your advantage by shortening its link and earning when someone clicks that shortened link. I know you want to know how you will earn money with this. You can see how this works is the platform generally shows ads to the person that clicks your link and they can skip it. So they split the ad revenue with you. So sort of a win-win situation for both of us since they make money from ad revenue and they pay us to show ads to the ones that click. So in summary, all you have to do is go onto the link I have mentioned on the description below and head over to the platform. Once you have signed up using your email address and added your correct details, grab the links you found on the Google Trends page and shorten its links with this platform. Use that link onto a forum where you can generate clicks on your link. This is available globally, meaning anyone from anywhere can work here. You can download its app on iOS and Android as well if you want to work using your smartphone, even your tablets. Anyways, I hope you liked the video. Just make sure to give us a like and comment below as well. I want you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon as well to be notified of videos as this in the future. I mean, more methods to earn online. This is it from Money Heist.